Good morning, everyone. Today's topic in performance management system is the challenges of current scenario in performance management program. So, as we have already discussed, that performance management can be defined as the process which continuously identifies, measures, and develops the performance of workforce in the organization. And to do so, each individual's performance and objective are connected with the overall mission and goal of enterprise as well. Hence, there are two key elements of performance management. First is it is a continuous process, and second is there is should be a link between mission and goal of individual as well as organization. So in performance management, managers tries to figure out the existing performance level of employee and work on improving that level. It is a systematic assessment of performance of an employee and use assessment to better performance over a period of time. It is not an instant process. So there are a number of challenges that can prove as an obstacle for effective performance management. So these obstacles can limit the scope of performance management fairly. So if we talk about these obstacles, one of the obstacle is writing a poorly structured strategy. Since performance management is an strategy, it is a decision which is made on a strategic level. So if the structure of that strategy which is related to performance management is poorly structured, so it will certainly have certain loopholes and that cannot be eliminated over a period of time. So if the performance management strategy is poorly structured, it will certainly act as challenge to the performance management system to be applicable fairly. One of the challenges could be the failure of communication of a strategy to the stakeholders or the employees. See, if your uh, performance management strategy is nicely constructed or structured, but if there is a lack of communication between employees and the management, and that strategy is not fairly communicated to the employees in the organization, then also it is very much challenging to properly implement the performance management criteria to overall organization. Third, the failure to achieve buy-in of the strategy. So if a strategy, the performance management related strategy is good, it is well communicated, but the management is not able to convince the employees that it is for the betterment of the employees. So in that case also the strategy could be failed, because there is always a resistance to change in an organization. So if you are going to newly introduce the performance management system in your organization, so the management need to face the resistance of employees. And if they cannot convince the employees about the performance management strategy positively, so it will act as an obstacle in the implementation of performance management towards achievement of the organizational goal. Next challenge could be not measuring progress. So when you implemented the performance management system, so as I told you earlier that it is a continuous process, so continuous measuring and evaluation need to be done. It is not a one time affair, it is a continuous affair. So if a manager lacks in measuring the progress, so it will certainly not going as per the plan, and performance management could fail in the organization. Next challenge could be not holding at least quarterly strategy review session. So not in a month, but uh, in a quarter. Certainly the manager need to hold a strategic review meeting with the employees in the organization and their subordinates, because if for the proper communication, it is very much important to hold a review session or a meeting with the employees, so that one can discuss one-on-one with about the progress of performance management system in the organization. Next is not taking the time to define success and celebrate it along the way. That means if performance management system applicable in the organization, and if any kind of success achieved during that, so it should be recognized and celebrated, because it will act as motivation to the employees to further implement and progress the performance management system in overall organization, and taking seriously the process. So it is very much important to recognize and celebrate the performance of the employee if they are promising. Next challenge could be not adapting to changing circumstances. As I told you earlier, that an organization is not an isolated system, it is a open system which can react with the environmental issues as well. So if the business environment of the for the organization is changing, so one need to change the strategies in the organization, and if strategies are changing, it will certainly affect the strategies related to performance management. So if you are not adapting the changing circumstances of external environment, the strategy related to personal performance management will certainly become outdated or obsolete, and it will not help in achieving the overall organization goal successfully. Next challenge could be uh, not giving your team the necessary authority or tool to accomplish their job. So it is very much important that the employees should be given with the authority, should be equipped with the authority to perform their part of obligation, or to set their objectives. So certain kind of freedom and authority need to be given to the employees, so that they can contribute much towards the organization, and it will also helps in motivating employees that they are becoming a part of management, not feeling as the employee of an organization. So these are the challenges, and it is vitally important to steer the strategic planning process effectively, so that uh, any kind of pitfall can be avoided. So it is important to pick right objective and right goal that will drive the result that you seek, and defining those uh, falls into the uh, real of creating an effective strategy. It is important and for your organization, and determine through the goals and actions how you can support them. So overall organization strategy need to be uh, associated with the performance management strategy. Rather, you can say performance management strategies need to be aligned with the overall organization strategy, so that the organization can be maximum benefited with the performance management strategies. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.